Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing another lipstick demo. I just lined my lips in a Avon GlimmerStick Mystery Mauve. So that's the color you're looking at. I am actually doing a Palladio lip gloss today. I thought that would complement the look. So this is in the color Gorgeous. You are gorgeous. Not you are gorgeous. It's just called Gorgeous. So let's go ahead and see if we like how this lip gloss looks. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, like talk about when you think of diamonds and pink, that's what you should think of when you see this color. Look at that. Isn't that a stunning color? I think I picked very well this time. Look at that. Absolutely pretty. I did line my lips to give it a little bit more dimension, you know, like a little bit darker, but wow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little lipstick demo. This is it says the color Gorgeous. It's PGL70. You can get this at Sally's Beauty Supply store, and obviously you can get Avon with your Avon representative. But this here, I think, was only just a few dollars. I'm going to say around $5 or $7. Absolutely stunning color. I love lip glosses. I think they make you look a little bit more youthful. Give you that little pop of shimmer to your lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 1-minute tutorial or review. And if you did like it, please push that thumbs up button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that little subscribe button down there and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.